Hi everyone, this is Phil with KLANG. We are here at Tanio. Two days of intensive KLANG trainings. Today was a fantastic day with incredible musicians, sound engineers, integrators here. We had fantastic questions. There's a lot of interest for KLANG. We did everything from the theory, from the science, to listening to it, playing around with it, discussing different scenarios. And it was tons of fun. I can't wait to be back here in Poland and continue the KLANG journey here in Warsaw. Thank you very much.